What's going on, guys? I'm Nathan and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I do DIY projects, kayak mods, gear and bait reviews, and fishing technique videos. So if you're into that kind of thing, hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Also hit that bell notification so you're notified anytime I post a new video. Today we're going to talk about what you can get at Academy for around $20. Stick around. Okay guys, so I just got back from Academy, and just so you know I'm not lying to you, there's the price, $22.22. What did I get for that much money? I'm gonna show you. All right, so I got a bag of 12-inch ribbon tail worms from Zoom. I got them in Mag-O Monster, California, right there. All right, so this is what it looks like. It's got red flakes. It's a dark blackish on top and a light greenish on bottom. Okay, so that's what that looks like. I also got a bag of Reaction Innovation Sweet Beaver 420 and watermelon red. So it's 4 inches, almost 4.5 inches long. All right, and this is what that looks like. Now, what I liked about these is you have 3 appendages, right? You got the 2 on the side that are not tagged down. Then you got a chance for a big beaver tail. Or you can split this in 2. See how it's tagged down there with the plastic? And you can have 4 appendages. Now, the reason I like creature baits, and I've talked about this in previous videos, but you can use them in all different types of ways. You can fish them by themselves, or you can use it as a jig trailer, a chatterbait trailer, a spinnerbait trailer. It doesn't really matter. They're pretty much my favorite because there's so many different ways you can use one bait. For instance, when you tear this up fishing at Texas rig, you can cut it off and you can put it on a jig, right? You can still fish that. You can fish a bait for a month if you fish consistently, right? If not, you can fish it longer. Now, again, this is in watermelon red. All right, I got a pack of H2O Express 5/0 hooks. They're extra wide gap hooks. And I also got a box. This is a Flambeau 5007. I have one of these in my previous videos. I have 3 of these now, and they're absolutely amazing. They're not waterproof or anything, so that kind of sucks if you drop it in the water. But it is what it is. I don't ever drop mine in the water. I haven't yet, at least, right? All right, so let's talk about rigging this worm. Okay, you rig it Texas rig. Obviously weighted. You can fish it unweighted and kind of jerk it around if you want, but I would fish it weighted deep. All right, so I'd fish deep structure, sunken trees or anything like that. You fish it 1/2 ounce or 3/4 ounce weight, and I would peg it. Now, you throw it out there, let it sink, hit the bottom. You want to give it time because it's salted, right? So it's going to sink. So you don't want to give it that much time when it's on the bottom before you start working it, but you want to give it time, right? So I would let the weight hit the bottom on a slack line. I would reel my slack up and I would drag it, right? Or you could hop it kind of like that, and then it would flutter for a little bit and then sink, and then you hop it again, right? Just the same action over and over and over. And the big fish, which are the fish that bite in the wintertime, are going to tear that up, all right? Now, let's talk about this sweet beaver. I would fish this with a 3/0, 2 to 3/0 hook, extra wide gap, if I was Texan rigging it, right? So depending on what action I wanted is depending on how I would fish it, okay? So if I put a weight on it, probably use a 1/4 ounce bullet weight, and then you throw it out there and let it sink. You drag it, shake it a little bit, drag it, shake it a little bit. You get that tail moving, right? Jig trailer, same. Put it on a jig, throw it out there, let it sink, drag it back, hop it back. Obviously, if you're going to use it as like a chatterbait trailer, you throw it out and solo retrieve it back. All right, so that's everything I got for $22.22. I got a box to keep everything in, right? I got hooks. I got baits. Get your rod and reel and go catch some fish, right? That's all I got in this video. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and let's make the world a better place.